In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install the YouTube app on Windows 10. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser and click on the search bar or address bar at the top of the page. Type YouTube into the search bar, press enter, and click on the official YouTube website link from the search results to open the homepage. Once you are on the YouTube website, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser window and click on the three vertical dots to open the main settings menu. From the drop-down options, scroll down and move your mouse over Cast, Save, and Share to open its sub-menu. In the sub-menu that appears, click on Install YouTube. A small pop-up dialog box will appear on your screen asking you to confirm the installation. Click on the blue Install button. Google Chrome will automatically turn YouTube into a standalone web app application on your Windows 10 computer and open it up in its very own window. Now you can interact with YouTube just like a desktop application. You can click on the search bar at the top of the YouTube app interface, type in any content or artist you want to watch, such as searching for Bruno Mars, and press enter or click the search icon. Select a video from the search results by clicking on it to start watching. You can pause the video, skip advertisements by clicking Skip, scroll down to read the comments section, expand or collapse the left side navigation sidebar menu by clicking the menu icon, and scroll through related recommended videos on the right. Whenever you want to access YouTube again, you can easily open it directly as an installed app on your Windows desktop or taskbar without needing to manually open Google Chrome and type in the web address every single time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.